TikTok is like a cheat code for any business. Like seriously, no matter what you do or how you are trying to escape the 9-to-5 grind, posting content can absolutely transform your life. In today's video, I'm sharing a niche so rare and powerful, but it has almost zero competition, giving you a real chance to stand out. All I ask is that you give it a shot right after this video. This niche is widely popular and gets millions of views because it's adorable. People simply can't resist this kind of videos. It's a gold mine for engagement and income, and you can use this same strategy across TikTok, Instagram and YouTube Shorts to maximize your earnings. Let me show you an example. Check out this channel pulling in thousands of dollars using these straightforward strategies, all in a niche with minimal competition. The secret? AI makes creating these videos a breeze. What's even better is that just a handful of videos can make your channel explode in popularity. Each video here racks up millions of views. Sure, some viewers might guess that AI is behind it, but it doesn't matter because the engagement is off the charts. Every comment, like and reaction pushes these videos further up TikTok's algorithm. Now picture this, your own channel blowing up like this with just a few videos. Sounds incredible, right? Stay tuned because I'm going to break down the exact steps to help you create these videos and start making money. The first step is all about crafting the perfect image prompt. Trust me, I've got your back. The key to this niche is combining relaxation with cuteness. Think adorable animals in fun, happy or whimsical scenes that brighten your day. These videos tap into the wellness and mindfulness trends, leaving viewers feeling good. Here's how to start. Head to ChatGPT and write a prompt like this. Write 13 prompts to generate images of cute animals playing underwater and being very happy. Match the quality of the images I'm attaching, then attach some screenshots of similar videos as example. Hit enter and let ChatGPT do its thing. For a 1-minute video, you'd want about 13 prompts to match the pace for TikTok's Creator Rewards program. Once you have your prompt, it's time to generate the image. I personally prefer using MidJourney because the quality is fantastic. You can get a subscription for just $10 a month or try Leonardo AI for some free daily generations. Simply copy and paste the prompt into the image generator AI and choose 9:16 to get the vertical TikTok ratio and let the magic happen. In no time, you have adorable high quality images ready to go. Now let's turn these images into a video. For this, I recommend using a video generator AI like Runway, Pika, Kling or my current favorite, Halo. Halo even offers a free day of unlimited use for new users, so you can create as much as you need. Upload your images, copy and paste the prompt again and let Halo do the rest. Depending on traffic, it might take a few minutes, but the results are worth it. No glitches, just smooth and professional looking clips. Once your clips are ready, it's time to edit them. I use CapCut, a super friendly app that's perfect for projects like this. Open a new project, import your clips and arrange them in the timeline. Next, find some catchy music to match the vibe of your video. Whether it's a viral track or something upbeat, the right music makes all the difference. Add some smooth transitions. My go-to is the black fade and voila, export your video and it's ready to post. Here's the final product. Looks amazing, right? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. These videos are simple to make and can generate serious income with just a little daily effort. And that's not all. TikTok offers multiple ways to monetize, from creator rewards to affiliate marketing and TikTok shop. But why stop there? Share your videos on Instagram and YouTube Shorts to unlock even more earning potential. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more. Got a niche you'd like me to explore? Let me know and I'll dive in for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.